It's like not a crime to use these things nowadays. It has added a beautiful background image. First of all, I'm really impressed with this. So do you think, just frankly, I believe on you guys. So just comment me how much time you guys will take without the help of any AI tool. Journaling from your future self, innovating journalism app it has created. Change layout. I need something else, like let's say here I need this looks fine. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The AI Cross. Today I will be showing you a really unique tools or unique AI platform what you can use in your daily basis. I have tried a lot of time for one of the tool Gamma.app, which is really interesting, really user friendly, and it will be really increase your productivity on the fly. I will guarantee after watching this video you will surely use this tool for your productivity improvement and you will surely love it. So let's not waste any time, directly jump to the demo. I will open a tab and just type Gamma.app. So what I will do, I will just copy one thing from here. So so I'll go here, create new. I want to use paste in text. So I have my text here. So I want to create a document. I will choose as a document. Here it is a default pageless letter. Let's go ahead with A4 size. Now I have paste this. Generate from summarize long text to document. So I don't want to preserve exact text, it can change also. So now continue your prompt. So now what it will do, so I don't need so it is saying for more than 10 cards we need. I can go ahead with the less than 10 card. So now generate. So now it will generate. So see how it is doing. So it has taken all the text from our input which I have given. So that is kind of a I have given a simple text format information. It's on the climate change. Now we'll see how it is doing. So it is trying to showcase. If I'll go, it has already created. Climate change, the global crisis of our time. It is creating some beautiful diagram. What is climate change? Everything it is coming up. Let me see if it is completed. Yeah, it's still writing few things. It's generating the image and all. Now it is done. Now I will just go ahead here and present, and let's see how it looked like. This is on the last page, so let's go from the first page. If you'll see, it has added a beautiful background image. First of all, I'm really impressed with this. Then it has given a beautiful kind of headline. What is climate change? It is giving information with some diagrammatic representation. It will not be a boring presentation. What causes climate changes? Point wise it is giving. Effects of climate changes. Effects of climate change, ecosystem and food security. These images are AI generated images. The numbers tell the story, how it is increased. Climate justice, who is affected the most. Solution, what we can do. Solution, business and policy action. The path forward, what we can do in future. That's all. So do you think, just frankly, I believe on you guys. So just comment me how much time you guys will take without the help of any AI tool. I will take for sure to prepare this at least 2-3 hours. You need all the information, you need to design all of those things. So now you have an option. You can download these, you can export to a PDF, anything. You can just export like a PDF, you can do that. This is one use cases. Now let me come to another use cases. Let's go ahead with our favorite one, creating a PPT. So what I want to do, so let's say I have one use cases I can say here. Let's go ahead to the it has the presentation. You can change here. A lot of things you can do. You can change the theme also here, so it will just change the theme as per that. Okay, and you can do a lot of edit also, like chart and graph if you want to put anything. So just one thing I can show, this one. Okay, now let's say you want to change this some different one, you want to some adding. So editing is also easy, like it's kind of very user friendly to edit this. Color also you can change everything, like you have a lot of things, formats, then embedded app. You can use your own images also, like let's say here you have a image, you can click this, and what action you can do, you can edit this. Okay, then you can download this image also, and you can upload your own image. Like if you'll go here, okay, then you can use like own image uploaded by URL. You can upload your image also, like let's say for your particular presentation or document preparation, you have your own document, that also you can do. A lot of things you can do. You can ask AI here to generate a different image also, like. Okay, now let's come to a different one. I'll just go to the main page again. Okay, now what I will do, I will again go to there. Okay, create from a one line prompt in a few sections. I need presentation, I need a 7 cards around presentation. Okay, so I have an idea, create a 7 slide pitch deck for a journaling app that uses AI to generate letters from your future self. The app is called Reflector. So let's say I'm designing a Reflector app. There is already an app, I can give the link, you guys can try out that. So what it will do, it will basically generate a letter from 2050 to you once you will put all the details. Okay, I'll just, it takes input as basic info like name, age, dream, current mode, and generate a message from future, and also show your scores on health, love, careers in percentage. Okay, now we don't know anything, we just want to build this from a scratch. Now generate outline. Okay, it is generating what information it will put for different section. Okay, so it has provided this. Now it want me to use some, okay, I want to this prism kind of thing, because the app which we have generated already, that is kind of this kind of thing. And image, we want some realistic image. Okay, now generate. Okay, now it will go ahead and generate the 7 PowerPoint basically. Okay, so now it's writing the things and it is creating the image. Okay, so let me see what else it's doing. In the meantime, if you guys want to try, you can try that app. I have already given the link in my description. Okay, so it is a pitch deck. Okay, we have provided basically kind of pitch deck. So it will go ahead and provide all the information, like how much money you can get, what is the market trend for this. Okay, now it has been already generated. Let's just check the presentation. Okay, so now reflect.it, AI powered journaling from your future self, innovating journalism app it has created. So it's kind of saying basically what is the problem, our solution, what we are giving. Okay, simple input, AI processing meaningful output. Okay, quick onboarding. Okay, market opportunity. Yeah, so it's kind of, now you can edit this. So you have a lot of options. So like this image you don't like. Okay, so I'll just go ahead, AI image, generate a realistic image. Okay, enhance this prompt. Now enter, generate. Okay, so now what I want, I want to generate a different image here. Okay, I don't want that same image which I didn't like. So it is coming a different selection if you want. Okay, this one seems little bit good because it is surrounded by different like information and anything. Now you can try this one. Okay, so if you'll see, already this image has been selected. Isn't it cool? You can change any in this kind of thing. Change layout, you can do layout change, you can do also. Like it is suggesting also which kind of layout you want to see. Let's say I want kind of this, I didn't like 4-page, I want to try. It can be done. This is another way, this is another way. Okay, no basically points. Okay, now coming to here, if you want to change the layout, okay, change layout. I need something else, like let's say here I need this kind of, this looks fine, like it's kind of a representation wise it's good. Okay, now coming to here, if you want to change layout, just do kind of free tier premium. Okay, this is kind of a different bullets point wise, I can do like this, do like this. Okay, so anything like this is kind of the craziest stuff I have ever seen regarding creating a document and all. Okay, so now, okay, create a weekly update deck for a digital marketing campaign for a clothing brand, including key metrics, win, challenges and next step. So it will be kind of a presentation it will give. I'll just give, it will be 2 cards, weekly update deck, because it is update, so I can go ahead with the document. Okay, 1 card document. Okay, A4 size. Okay, create outline. So it's kind of a, let's say you are basically marketing manager of a digital marketing company and you are doing for your own client, so you can do, okay, weekly update, what update you want to give them. Okay, now it will generate. So like let's say how many posts you have done this week and what is the engagement it has been done, all those things it can create. Okay, so now it's generating. Okay, so it's showing, okay, weekly update digital marketing campaign performance snapshot it is giving. Okay, then it has what wins and challenge. So it is kind of 1 page we have asked, because a update if you will go ahead with a 2-page 3-page, nobody will read that. So it has given, okay, what wins we have done, what current challenges we have, everything it is going. Okay, now you can change that also, like if you want to do like this, if something like this, like color we want, let's say basically entirely color one, image you can change, everything you can do. One more thing I can try. Okay, this is one blog I was reading, basically like it has entirely, I think till this, so all the pages. So what I can do, what I need here is, and to create from AI, paste in text. Okay, this one. Okay, now I want a presentation. Okay, default fluid. Okay, generate from the notes, continue. Okay, so I got a page. Okay, then I need, let's say I just need for 5 cards of this. So that entire blog will be now generated to a 5 card of presentation. So think like, I think a lot of people give their presentation in a college or any student, so they can just get all the details, just rough idea, put it in any Word document, just copy from there, paste it here, just keep on editing. And you guys can now, you cannot give excuse like I didn't have time, I was busy with some other work. And it's like not a crime to use these things nowadays. It's every people are using. Like just make sure you are not using this in any wrong way. So like think like how it has been created. AI and future of search engine marketing, the changing of search landscape. So that entire blog page, or I can say the article, has been converted to a beautiful presentation. So yeah, this is all about this Gamma.app. I really like this and I usually use this even if in my free account. Sometimes I take 1 month of subscription, you can take that also. Let me know if it is useful and it helps you increasing your productivity. Give a comment, give your feedback, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you liked our contents, where we are mainly focusing how AI tools can increase your productivity, because individual people should watch this and they should take any help from this. So we'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.